Okay, well, let's look at this as a commercial for a thing called the Room Place. As you can see, I took a couple of snapshots. So this isn't really a commercial. Basically it's a question. So if you look at it, I took 3 snapshots. So let's start out with the first thing that stands out, which would be this headboard. You can see it's got that's basically a sine wave is what that is. The IM, the Viacom, that's a sine wave. The second thing is this one. If you can see it, see they look like hourglasses. Okay, so you got sine, you got time. Both of these represent time. It also represents this. The inside of it could be representing it's a sound. The third thing is this right here. Let me blow this up. Okay, we got that. Alright, so we got that. And then the big deal of it, okay, is I have to do a free scroll on this. Let me just get this here. If we look here, right here, oops, yeah, let me redo that. Okay, and we got this, right? So we'll just put this down here, I guess. Okay, just put that down there like that. Let's see what that is. It's an elephant with 3 cubes. It's really, it looks like 2, but there's a reflection, so it's 3 cubed. And then the last part of it is this. I have to do a freeform on this. So before I take this picture apart, understand that this is reality right here. You see the rug here? Even they did it on the rug. They put the black, the white, and then the cube on the inside. Everything, when you look at videos about heaven and all of that stuff, see outside, they see the light. There's have people walking around. It's always white. Well, that's what this is. And then we see that it's red, it's blue, and it's black. So that's left pillar, right pillar, and then center. So they did that on purpose. So I'm going to cut that out. And so we'll just do this. And you can notice right there, okay, is, let me just get rid of this here real quick. Bear with me, I know this is slow as fuck today. Let me get rid of this. Okay, so we're going to reposition this. Put this up here, and this up here, and then this. This is an equation. Okay. This here, and then this here. Just move this over here, like this, right? And then this is just like a historical bit. At least that's what I come up with. Okay, so we got. I gotta make sure I get this in the shot. Okay. Here's sound. Here's sine wave. Here's sound. And time. What it is here's the portal. Here's the kind of shit you see at Stonehenge. There's the moon and the obelisk, the black thing that you saw in 2001: Space Odyssey. So it's showing you this, and it's going on Oh, one other thing, let me get it. I gotta get that in there. One last thing. Very important that I get this. This here. You can see. Okay, so now you got the right pillar, left pillar, center. They always put a sunflower in the middle. So you got a sine wave, a sound wave, okay, and then you got the three pillars. Then you got the porthole, and it's asking you, can you do this now? In other words, can you get through? Can you get out? It's a question. This is a freaking statement. It ain't a freaking commercial. That's a statement. Sine wave, time, sound, the three pillars. This is really what this is. And it's saying with this, can you guys do this now? I don't know if it's getting in or out, but that's what it's saying. If you look here, you got 1, 2, 3 cubes because the third cube is a reflection. You see this elephant? That goes back to Elephantine, and that's in Babylonia. And that's where all this Saturn shit comes from. Mesopotamia, that whole area. So you got this 3 combo to try and get through this portal. But if you notice, you'll see in the middle of the portal is that black obelisk from 2001 Space Odyssey. You see it? It's like blocking the way. It says, can you do this now? I don't know who they're talking to. I'm pretty sure that's what this is.